Hey everyone, Neil Carlson down here in Zihuatanejo, Mexico. A little bit cool up across North Dakota, Minnesota today. Thought you might enjoy a little beach walk. Actually, I'll show you back here the hotel we're staying at with friends and family. It's a Villa Mexicana hotel. Parasailing if you're adventurous. It's going to be about almost 85 degrees here today. January, if you're not familiar with Zihuatanejo, it's on the west coast of Mexico, about 100 miles north of Acapulco. And January is the dry month here, so been coming here for years. You're almost guaranteed not to get rained out. All kinds of hotels, expensive and cheap, a lot of beach here. And actually the temperature doesn't change that much here year round. We're only about 15 degrees off the equator, so January is around 85, 90 every day, low around 70 to 72 degrees at night. We hang around downtown a lot. Cab ride's about $3 downtown. It's only, you can walk it too. It takes about 30 minutes. Cab's about a quick ride. So there you go. Thought you might like to take a little walk down the beach on another cold January day up in Minnesota and North Dakota. We'll have some more interviews with folks later on this week.